Guess what came to mail today? It is green. Do you want to be in the camera? Do you want to be in the... Oh, you're in.
Are available for purchase, including snack boxes from our blanket menu and alcoholic.
Just taking a walk in a very quiet neighborhood. Getting some lunch, late lunch. That reminds me of Indiana a little bit. Very quiet.
Anything else besides that?
Nope.
Like corn or potato or anything?
Yeah.
Which one?
Corn.
There's a lot more inside. Very good. Sauce and tomato-based sauce. It goes for vinegar. We'll just get both. We'll just get a bunch of it. This one? Okay, fine.
Oh, we ordered.
Thank
Great.
you.
Oh, thank you.